Hello, country people. I want to read the write-up of one of our brother.
Igbo Area TV.
I'm actually neutral on this particular issue, so you don't think I am taking sides. I've seen some people issuing threats. The people who support the Simon Ekpa autopilot movement hailed me because they thought I was in support of their cause. Why this happened? Ndio to DOS cautioned me. They also threatened. There was a time too, the DOS saluted me and the autopilot abused me, whatever. I want to share with us a view of one of our brother, Maze Ejimofo. He wrote, "Are we still brethren? The Igwe of Osumo now lives outside his town. That of Lilu has fled. Iseke is under siege. Ihiala is bleeding. Upo is desolate. Azia is dying. Okija is heating up." This historic picture represents the coming together of all major institutions in the Anambra Jirib Di Ebube. If they have agreed that we must end the siege in Anambra, that our children must go back to school on Monday, that our markets must be open on Mondays, that all forms of criminality must end, my brother, my sister, do not allow Simon Ekpa enjoying himself in Finland to deceive you further. Do not allow Nelly Ofoegbu, Madam Idu, derail you further with her comedy shows. It's time to adopt better strategies. It's time to save and secure Anambra. Anambra must succeed. Like I said, this is not my write-up. But because I'm neutral here, I share several views. The other time I told you I shared a view that favors the autopilot and some people abuse me. Right now I'm sharing a view, well, I don't know who it favors, but I just want us to reason with it. It's not my write-up. It's by one Maze Ejimofo. Meanwhile, make our leaders try come together, make them speak in one voice concerning the cause of the sit-at-home self, because that is what is important. Don't just say scrap the sit-at-home. Yes, it's not good for us, quite all right. But let's also work towards dealing with what has brought about it. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and so. Anyway, leaving this, make I go to the Kaduna train. 14 kidnapped victims found. This the managing director for Nigerian Railway Corporation, Mr. Fidet Okeria Donyan, say out of 21 passengers where them kidnapped inside that AK4 train, where they travel go Abuja from Kaduna, they don't see 14. And this 14 self, them they alive. Nothing happened to them. This one an update concerning March 28th day where Ofoegbu terrorists attack train for a place where them they call Katere Rijana inside Kaduna. Persons where them pass on to say then go travel use that train that day. Now 362 persons. We hear saying that 186 then confirm say then they alive. Then come join the 14 where then see today. Until yesterday. Then come Adam join. Them don't even call phone numbers where they are manifest. It be like say 51 numbers, they switch them off or not reachable since Tuesday. 35 they ring but nobody pick the call. 60 numbers they say non-existence. I was in them more kahabu. 22 people, now him then their relatives don't report say then they miss. 8 that him then don't confirm say they don't kaput. 2 coaches, that's the way they like a container where to train the car where people they inside. 2 coaches, SP00016 and SP00017. Now him then don't join for another train, return them to Regasa station. As it be, they don't recover 7 coaches. No, the one egwu ife na-emezi na obodo Nigeria. We celebrate Mike Ejeagha. If you hear Mike Ejeagha, gentleman Mike Ejeagha is a folklorist. He's a songwriter and a musician. And I know some people will be surprised that Ejeagha is still there alive today. He started his music career in the mid-20th century, and he has been influential in the evolution of music in Igbo language over 6 decades. Can you imagine? And you already know that man, a distinct storyteller. He got to tell story. They accompany him with jita. You got to hear jita. Hey, and his lyrics are laced with proverbs. He has contributed over 300 records to the National Archives of Nigeria, produced during his field work to investigate Igbo folklore high life music. And due to his trademark of telling long stories in his music, you will be told, Akuko Mike Ejeagha, or the Kagina Mother Baketa, Naba, or when they call Kariano come on name with a story, they say in a Akuko Mike Ejeagha. Now I want to tell you, Akuko Mike Ejeagha, that's a story of Mike Ejeagha. That Mike Ejeagha you are hearing about, he's still alive now. He's about 96, and he hails from Ejeagha in Enugu State. Let's celebrate him while he's still alive. He's alive. Let him see what it will be like when he is gone. And this is where we draw the curtain on this show. We'll come back to you shortly. I be Azuka OJ. Bye for now.